Hey guys, welcome to the channel. That's some older footage back in January of my brother getting his biggest deer to date. And I had this spot that I some big does coming in pretty consistently every morning, every afternoon in about a 20-minute time frame. So I knew we could get on one there, and one afternoon had an opening that we slipped out and got into the ground blind that I had out there, and we were only out there maybe 15 minutes, and 5 or 6 of them walked into the clearing, and yeah, he made a great shot, dropped her where she stood, and we walked up on this deer, and I mean, you could tell she was a good mature doe, but I had no idea how big she was till we got up to her. I say she's probably about 150 pounds. That's a conservative estimate. She may have been more. Like, I don't know, some of you guys that might not be huge, like you're up north or whatever, but in my area, like, very rarely do you see a deer over 100 pounds around here, at least a doe. I mean, bucks get bigger, but they're just don't get as large, and that is by far the biggest I've ever seen. And talked to other people that hunt this area for a long time, and it's the biggest they'd ever seen. So really awesome for him. You guys just don't want to hear me talk, so enjoy the video, and if you'd like to see more cool content like this in the future, please hit the subscribe button and like it, and yeah, enjoy the video. Hope to see you again soon.
Right behind her shoulder. Dude, he got her. Nice, man. Dropped her. High five. Sweet. Good job, dude. Dude, you smoked her. Nice. Good job, Saya. Nice, dude. That's a big doe, man. That's a big old doe. You got a couple of them in there. You got one through the chest. It looks, you have one in the neck up there. It might have been. Dude, that's a big doe. She's well over 100 pounds. It's bigger than any I've ever killed.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Dude, that's totally awesome.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. Great job, dude. Yeah. That's how you get it done.